Hey guys, it's Joseph. Now when it comes to safety, having a dash cam in your car should be a priority. It keeps an eye on where you're going, where you're at, and who you're with when you're sharing a ride. We absolutely love how dash cams add a layer of protection while we're driving, and even when you're parking too. Still, while your vehicle is parked and your dash cam watches over it, who's protecting the dash cam? So for today's video, we're going to show you an accessory built to keep your BlackVue dash cam, your footage, and your private files extra safe with the BlackVue Tamper-Proof case. This is often used by fleet managers who want to make sure that nobody, including their employees, are tampering with the footage that the dash cam records. But really, everyone should be using this to protect their dash cam. Now let's dive into what a tamper-proof case is. Currently, the most comprehensive brand when it comes to tamper-proof solutions is definitely BlackVue. So as the name suggests, the BlackVue Tamper-Proof case is designed to protect your dash cam from being tampered with. It protects the key components of your dash cam by fastening around the mount. Now this one uses a special Allen key to fasten or loosen two parts, the left piece and the right piece, that perfectly fits around your screenless tubular BlackVue head unit. This tamper-proof case also allows locking the angle of the front camera. It does make things a bit more bulky though, but the trade-off of the bulkiness is your dash cam's protection. So while your car needs a dash cam, your dash cam needs something to keep it safe as well. We've heard plenty of stories from our customers of smash and grabs where thieves see a dash cam as a quick payday, and once they take your SD card, what evidence do you have left? It's essential, especially if you want to protect the recorded video data captured by it. And yes, the tamper-proof case also protects the micro SD card slot as well, while preventing unplugging of your power and coaxial cable connectors, plus securing the dash cam mount itself. A lot of our customers who purchase these tamper-proof cases have been fleet managers who manage a large inventory of trucks and drivers, and also Uber and Lyft drivers too. This help keeps drivers in check, ensuring none of the footage of their drive is tampered with. You can even pair it with BlackVue Cloud's live auto upload and video backup feature, so you get a second backup of your footage too. Right now, BlackVue is offering three types of tamper-proof cases: the BTC1C, 2B, and the 3A, which is recommended for the new BlackVue DR770X and the DR970X. These are separate add-ons, but there is a new BlackVue dashcam that has a tamper-proof case literally built into the device itself, the BlackVue DR770X Box triple-channel dashcam. For me, this has been the most reliable dashcam to date when it comes to keeping your dashcam secure. BlackVue specifically designed this dashcam differently, where they included three small cameras for the front, interior, and the rear, and all the major hardware in a separate component, the box. This box is created independently of the cameras and houses all the processor, Wi-Fi connection, and the memory card, so it's guaranteed the most important components are secured. And for extra protection, aside from the cameras being so small, the box itself can be hidden in the glove compartment or under the seat. Plus, the power cable and the SD card slot are not accessible either, with its own tamper-proof locking cover covering both. Overall, the DR770X box features tamper-proof solutions on the main unit, and all cameras with the SD card hidden inside the box and locked behind its own unique key. All of it is built into the device itself, so you don't need to purchase a separate tamper-proof add-on. And that's a quick walkthrough on tamper-proof cases from BlackVue. We hope you also start protecting your dashcam with this, as your dashcam protects you and your car. Beyond the tamper-proof cases, BlackVue is also offering accessories to keep your dashcam experience safe and convenient, such as the BlackVue B130X Ultra Magic Battery Pack for extended parking modes and the CM100G LTE module that gives internet connectivity to your BlackVue Cloud dashcam. Thanks for watching. We've included the product links below so you can check them out. You can also find all the dashcams and accessories mentioned in this video on our website, and if you use exclusive YouTube code BBMC2 at checkout, you can get 5% off, so don't miss it. If you have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comments below, or you can contact us via live chat, email, or we're just a phone call away. Thanks for watching. Check you guys later.